Alright, this is the last problem on the test review, number 32. It's also a word problem. Alright, so here we have it. A stock costs $3.75 a share. How many shares can be bought for $90? Okay, so what they're giving you is the cost of stock per share, which is $3.75. So they give you that. And anytime you say per, the word per, that means divide. I know it sounds like something that a cat would say. Anyway, per share. Alright, the amount of money to buy shares, and we're given a total of $90. So we need to know how many shares can be possibly purchased with $90. Well, instead of multiplication, we're going to divide. So how many of these shares at 375 cents can be divided into $90? So how far can that $90 be spread out, essentially? I already added some zeros because we are going to have to move the decimal over. So we're moving that one over 2 places, so we have to move this one over 2 places. Once we do that, that's where we put our decimal, is over those 2 places. So it goes here and then here. So what we're really looking at is dividing 375 into 9,000. 9, 1, 2, 3, because that's where that decimal place is. One here now, we moved it. So there's extra zeros over here, just in case we need them. So 375 into 9,000. Well, you know, we're not going to be able to do that right off the top of our head. I'm going to cheat and pull up a calculator just for the purposes of making it quicker. Let's look at 375 times 3, which will be, whoa, not even close. Okay, let's look at 375 into 900. Okay. Alright, 375 times 2 equals 750. So let's do that. We said 750, right? So I'm going to subtract. What I did is I did 375 into 900. Let's underline that. 900. We still have the decimal point there. I need to draw that. The decimal point is still there. Okay? And our calculator told us that 2 times 375 is 750, so I'm going to subtract that and get 0, 5, 1. We have 150, so we're going to bring down this 0. I'm going to keep it real clear here. And now I'm going to look at 375 into 1500. So we did 375, let's look at times 3. It's not going to be enough, maybe let's try it. 375 times 4. 1500. Ooh, we like it when that happens. Alright. So 4 times 375 is 1500. So we don't have any more remainder, so it's just 24. So the answer then is 24 shares can be purchased with $90. And you can check your answer by multiplying back the 24 times the 375. If you bought 24 shares at $3.75, multiply it 24 shares, you get $90, yes.